In this video, we will be going over the assembly and setup of the Infinity IT-8500 Original and IT-8500 X3 massage chair. The only tools required for assembly are a screwdriver and an Allen wrench, which both come included with the chair along with all other required screws and parts. Once you have positioned your chair in a clear space, the first step is to attach the backrest cushion. Drape the cushion over the chair and zipper it to the zipper on the back side. Then, on the right hip side of the chair, locate and connect the 3 air hoses from the backrest cushion to their corresponding air nozzles based on the numbers labeled on each. Similarly, on the left hip side of the chair, locate and connect the power input to the power output cord on the backrest, hand screwing it into place. Then, connect the air hose to the air nozzle. Finally, zipper the base of the backrest to the zipper on the seat cushion. Before proceeding with assembly, you want to bring the chair into the upright position. To do so, plug the chair's power cord into the port on the back side of the base of the chair. Then, plug the remote cord into the port to the left with the arrow on the plug facing up and flip the red power switch to on. For the IT-8500 Original, bring the chair upright by pressing the red power button on the remote and then hold down the incline button on the top right. For the X3, simply press the red power button on the remote twice. In the next step, you will be installing the arm sections. First, if attached, remove the plastic shelving from the pin on the chair by releasing the lever on the back side of the shelving. Then, take 3 locking nuts from the bag of parts and place them into the 3 holes along the inside of the shelving. Once all 3 nuts are fully in, using the screwdriver, rotate each nut in order to bring the open side facing up. You can ensure the open side is facing up by looking through the hole on the top of the shelving. When tightening the middle nut, in order to access it, pull up on the lever on the base of the backrest and push the backrest forward. Once all 3 nuts are positioned with open side up, place the arm onto the shelving, lining up the 2 white air hoses on the body of the chair with the rubber grommet on the underside of the arm, as well as the 3 pins on the underside of the arm into the holes on the shelving of the chair. Then, tighten the 3 locking nuts to secure the arm in place, again releasing the lever and pushing the backrest forward to access the middle nut. Lastly, bring up the arm and place the armrest latch back onto the pin on the side of the chair, ensuring that the lip of the pin is aligned in the center of the latch and not on the outside. Next, you will attach the shoulder airbag and speaker section. First, connect the white plug with the clip side facing in, line up and place the 3 metal pins as well as the 2 air hoses into their corresponding holes on the chair. Then, open the sliding cover on the inside of the shoulder piece to access and tighten the screw, securing the shoulder piece into place. Close the cover and repeat the process on the other side of the chair. In the final step, you will attach the leg rest. Bring the leg rest up to the front of the chair and, ensuring the clip side is facing up, connect the white plug from the leg rest to the port on the chair until it snaps. Then slide the air hose onto the connection nozzle. Next, position the leg rest so that the metal brackets on both sides line up with the 2 holes on the inside of the chair. Once aligned, connect and secure the leg rest by taking 2 Allen wrench bolts, placing them into the holes, hand tightening, and then using the Allen wrench to tighten them securely into place. Finally, zipper the leg rest flap to the zipper on the bottom of the seat cushion. You have now completed the assembly of your new Infinity IT-8500 massage chair. For convenience, attach the remote holder by removing the small cover on the outside of the left arm, as well as the 2 bolts. Place the remote holder into the hole, screw in the 2 bolts to secure it into place, and then place the cover back. If you have an IT-8500 X3, simply attach your holder by velcroing it to the underside of the left arm. In order to ensure everything is working properly, run the chair through a cycle like the Recover program for the 8500 Original or the Rest and Sleep program for the 8500 X3. Check that all of the airbags are fully inflating and that the massage roller track is functioning correctly. If everything is running smoothly, you are good to go and ready to unlimit your wellness. Enjoy, and thank you for joining the Infinity family.